were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today as always. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. So today I have this really pretty peachy warm eye tutorial for y'all. It's all Drugstore, using a Wet n Wild palette that I'm pretty impressed with, but I just think it's so pretty. It's very sultry and I just love the way it came out. So if you guys want to see how I got this eye makeup look, then just keep watching. I just toned my hair and it has made the world of a difference. You guys, I was like yellow in my other videos. I'm sorry you have to say that. The power of purple shampoo, I swear. We're gonna take this. I'm gonna take this moisturizer that I have been loving. I'm gonna take this LA Colors Correct and Conceal. I have been liking this where I have some redness. Got it at the Dollar Tree. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see another Dollar Tree tutorial. And this time I think I want to take you guys with me into the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to throw this e.l.f. pencil and taupe in my brows real quick. I'm just going to take some of that concealer we just used and I'm just going to clean that up and also prep our eyes. Alright, now that I look like a man, I just got this Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to take that orange shadow on this Wet n Wild fluffy brush. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. I'm gonna buff it out on the edges because I want to clean up with concealer. I like this shade of orange because on the palette it looks kind of like scary, but it actually comes off like really like nice and it's pigmented, but it's not like too strong. You know what I'm saying? It's very wearable as a transition shade. I'm gonna take this peachy shade right here. It's got like a little bit of like flecks in it, but it still looks matte. So we'll see how this looks. This flat shader brush. Let's see how this looks. I'm just gonna put that on the lid. Not that pigmented. Let me try with my finger. I never wear pink eyeshadow, but I feel like there's something pretty about like a peachy shade, especially in the summer. I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush. Then I'm going to take a short buffing brush, the more stiff brush. There's this really pretty warm brown. I'm gonna take that on that brush and just kind of smudge it in the outer portion of the eye. That looks really friggin' pretty. Kind of digging this peachy look. And take that blending brush again. Just gonna lightly clean up the edge, even though I kind of like it how it is.
Now I'm just gonna put on some face makeup. Oh, right, so I have the rest of my makeup on. Honestly, nothing different that I have been doing the past few videos. That's why I feel like I didn't need to include it. I think I'm just gonna pop some lashes on. So I'm just gonna put on some wispies. Alright, so I have my lashes on. I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line. I'm really tempted to put this blue in there somewhere. I think I'm going to. First I'm going to go in with that orange shade. Well, it looks so pretty just like this. I kind of just want to leave it. Don't be scared to bring it down a good bit because I think that just makes it so pretty. I'm gonna add some mascara real quick. Ooh, I really like how this came out. So for the lip, I want to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner in Willow. I talked about this on my Instagram story the other day. It's a really pretty nudie brown. And y'all know me, I'm way too obsessed with mauves, but I really liked this. I'm just gonna fill it in. We are peachy! I really like this lip color. I mean, hi, I'm just trying new things and I love it. Alright guys, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's really pretty, sultry and girly, and it was all Drugstore and it was all this Wet n Wild palette, so I like this palette. So thank you guys so much for watching as always. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.